did functions last year, right? Yeah. So do you remember anything from functions? Yes. Day. So these are the formulas with their equations. So are they all correct? Are they correct? Like, okay. So as an icebreaker to see if you can remember all your formulas, right? This is A, big A, big B, big C, big D, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 in this, and this A, small B, C, and D, right? I want you to try and match them. You see? So you match them according to their. So if it's the first one is maybe, I won't tell you this. I'm not saying this is right? So if A goes with 2, then it goes with A, right? So let's see who's gonna be the first one to get it right. Good morning, grade 11s. I hope you're all well. Today we are going to recap. We are studying on the topic functions that you also did in grade 10. You did functions, all about functions. You did, let's just list down what you did. Is you learned about how to draw. Number 1, how to draw it. You learned its formulas. And number 3, you learned about vertical shiftings. Vertical shifting. In all, this is what you did in grade 10. You learned about vertical shiftings of all functions. So today I will do a recap on the function hyperbola. Hyperbola. So, can anyone remember how a hyperbola looks like? And its formula. So the hyperbola's formula is this. This is the original. This is the mother graph of a hyperbola, which is y equals a over x. That's the mother graph of a hyperbola. So here I'm gonna draw a hyperbola that has shifted vertically. Yes, so if the formula of a hyperbola, if you've shifted vertically, I mean, it will be from this one to a over x plus q. These are the formula of a hyperbola in grade 10 that you last saw. So we can draw, let's make this hyperbola y, the formula of a hyperbola, let's write this side. Y equals 1 over x plus 1, which means this has shifted 1 up. So the asymptotes originally, you find them here. On the original graph, you find them on the what? On the y-axis and the x-axis. But if you have shifted 1 up, your asymptote will move from the x-axis to 1, positive 1. Since the graph says you've shifted what? 1 up. So this will be your new graph. And it's really important to be able to write down the real shape of a hyperbola. So it will go from closest to the y-axis, closest to the asymptote, but it never reaches the asymptote. Same this side, it never reaches the y-axis. Yes. Apologies for my handwriting. So now I'm gonna add on into this. Since we shifted up the original graph here, if we had to represent the horizontal shifting, so the new topic we'll be doing is horizontal. Another color. Horizontal shifting. So we'll do the horizontal shifting here. So if we had to represent the asymptote here of the asymptote in the horizontal shifting here, that's in the horizontal, it will add a plus p here. So this will result in, for example, so here we'll make this formula 1 over x plus 2 plus 1. So this graph represents the shift that took place in the horizontal shifting, and as we can see, our new asymptote has moved from the y-axis into x equal -2, so it has moved to the left, 2 to the left. Though you can see in the formula it says x plus 2, so it always goes in the opposite direction. So if it was -2, it would have moved to the right, to the positive. And also this change has changed also our x-intercept. Our x-intercept now is at -3. And how we get the x-intercept, we equate y equal to 0, and how we get the y-intercept, we equate x equal to 0. It looks more complicated, but with time and more practice, you'll get the hang of it. Have a nice day.